In this video, we'll cover the following. What is an XbarS chart? What does XbarS data look like? And 2 ways to create an XbarS chart using QI macros. XbarS charts are used to evaluate the stability of processes such as time, cost, length, weight, etc. XbarS chart data is variable, with 6 or more samples per period. XbarS chart data may contain varying sample sizes. In this data example, you can see that there are some blanks where samples were not taken. Datasets like this, with varying sample sizes, result in skyline upper and lower control limits. XbarS charts are comprised of an X-chart and a standard deviation chart. Evaluate the standard deviation chart first. If it is out of control, so is the process. If the standard deviation chart looks okay, then evaluate the X-chart. Let's talk about the methods for creating an XbarS chart using QI macros. Method number 1, a quick XbarS chart for existing Excel data. I'll let J. Arthur, developer of QI macros, take it from here.
Another type of variable chart that you'll encounter in manufacturing is the XbarS chart. And so up here we have the average of the X's across the top here, and the variation of the standard deviations down below. All you need is some data that looks like this. If you have 6 or more samples per subgroup, like we do here, the QI macros control chart wizard will pick that to be an XbarS. You can click on XbarS, or you can click on the control chart wizard. And the control chart wizard will figure out that that's an XbarS chart. And it'll draw this, and you can see we have differing subgroup sizes here, so that's why we have all these varying limits on your XbarS chart.
Method number 2, the XbarS template. Use the template for ongoing data collection. Charts populate automatically as you enter data. Save the template and add more data as you collect it. Again, here's J. Arthur, developer of QI macros.
The QI macros have a number of fill-in-the-blank control chart templates. In this case, we're going to look at the XbarS chart. And here you can see we have the instructions, and we have an XbarS chart and a skyline chart. And this will handle up to 32 different samples, and the charts are off to the right. So what I'm going to do is switch back over to some data. And I've got that, and I'm just going to copy that data. And I'm going to switch back over and paste it into our sheet. And so here you can see we have some varying sample sizes. So when you scroll over to your chart, you can see that it looks a little funny, but all you have to do is click on the chart itself. Click on Filter or Unfilter, and it will unfilter your data for you. And here's our skyline limits, histograms. You can also put in your upper and lower spec limits, 74.05 and 73.95. And it'll calculate our CP and CPK values of about 1.6. All right, so then you can also click on the chart itself, go back to QI macros chart. You can analyze stability. And here you can see there's nothing really unstable in here, and there's no red points. And that's how you create a fill-in-the-blank control chart template. So all you have to do to add more data is just unfilter your chart and select some data and paste that in there. And that'll add your new data point to your chart, and you'll just have to filter and unfilter it again.
So that's it. What did we learn? XbarS charts can help you evaluate the cycle time for almost any process. They use variable data of 6 or more samples per period, and they can be created with QI macros using 2 methods, the quick chart or the XbarS template. Thanks for watching.